Hello, my name is Alpern Yashar and I'm an applications engineer here at Swift Sensors. In this video, I'll show you how to use a sensor calibration hardware report within the Swift Sensors console. This report helps you track when your sensors are due for recalibration, making it easier to plan ahead and stay compliant with your internal procedures and audit requirements. To create the report, click Reports at the top of the console and then select Hardware Reports. Next, change the report type to Sensor Calibrations and click on the blue button. If the report appears blank, don't worry. It simply means none of your sensors are due for calibration within the current lead time. You can increase the lead time using the cursor at the top of your screen. For each sensor, the report displays the sensor name, measurement type, hardware ID, sensor model, and more importantly, the calibration expiration date and the number of days remaining until recalibration is due. When you are finished, you can export the report as a PDF for your internal records and to help ensure your sensor calibrations remain up to date. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftsensors.com or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.